We're learning something new every day. We have a different activity every day out in the shop or in the lab or within the classroom.
Anything from welding to repairing a hydraulic hose and engine work.
Hydraulics, electrical, powertrains, and engines, as well as intro to safety, basic shop, machine maintenance.
I get to go out and work with my hands instead of sitting in the classroom all day, and I really enjoy doing it.
I think it's important for anyone that's interested in the mechanical side of work. It really gets you a good introduction into the field.
By the time you get done with the course through Shiawassee County, you will have upwards of 6 certifications through a nationally accredited company known as NCCER.
Even if somebody does this program and doesn't go into this field, they're going to come away with some kind of knowledge that they'll be able to use somewhere else.